Alright, so there's another one finished. Hope you guys liked that one. This was the first of the book build series. I'm a little restricted right now with what I can do because my bandsaw is down, my drill press is on its last legs, but I still want to keep producing content for you guys. So this was a lathe project. I took this one out of the Wood Stash book. This is a book by Carrie Pierce. There's some pretty cool projects in here, and once I get my bandsaw back up and running or get a table saw, I want to move on to a couple of the other ones that I've seen in this book. Now, this one wasn't exactly how the project was supposed to go, but again, I don't want to copy exactly what's in the book. I want to take these things and kind of make them mine. The one thing I liked about the one that Carrie made in the book is that it had a rounded nose and then kind of a scooped handle. So I took those two elements and then added my own styling to the head of the Honey Dipper. I wanted something that was almost round but kind of squared off a little bit. So it's just something a little bit different. Alright everybody, so that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a fun little project to make. I love little Honey Dipper projects, things like this. It's something different. So if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I put out new videos, which currently is 2 a week, one on Monday for my Maker Monday, and then some kind of project video throughout the week. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Now I need to go buy some honey so I can get some pictures for Instagram. Yeah, it sucks that thing's cracked.